Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we'll learn how to fix the issue of Bluetooth missing in your device manager or Bluetooth couldn't connect on your on your PC. So we'll learn how to solve everything pertaining to Bluetooth issue right here on your PC. So as you can see here, once I check this slide, I basically can't find my Bluetooth settings here. And if I go ahead to open my settings, here's my settings here on my PC, and I go to Bluetooth and devices. I'm not seeing this here. And if I search here for my Bluetooth, for example, click here another device settings, and I choose to add a device and tap on Bluetooth, I'll just say couldn't connect. No matter what you try, this is what you get. So if this is it, let's learn how to solve this issue right now and right here. So go ahead to like and subscribe on this YouTube channel so you can get more updates like this. So without wasting much time, I'll be teaching you the steps you can actually use to solve this issue. So step one is by going through your service. I'm going to click here and search for service. I'm going to go to my service application, tap here, and on this place, click on any place and just search for Bluetooth user support service. So make sure this is running. Bluetooth support service, make sure this is also running. So click on add manual, set this to manual, and the status should show running. Click on OK. The Bluetooth audio gateway service will also be running. So if these three, make sure they are running. So make sure these three things here are actually running. Then the next step to do is to go ahead to your device manager. So I'll go ahead to my device manager by clicking here on my button and searching for device manager. So this device manager, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on open. So after open, I'm going to expand this here. Let's go ahead to expand this. So expanding here, you can see my Bluetooth here. I can see this action sign here on my Intel R wireless Bluetooth whatsoever. So that's trying to show me that my Bluetooth is disabled here, and that is the cause of this issue. So if you can't find your Bluetooth here, what you have to do is click on files here or click on action and click for scan for hardware changes. So first of all, just do like that, and second, tap on anywhere on your PC, don't tech or maybe Bluetooth, and click for view and just click on show hidden devices. So once you show your hidden devices, you see a lot of devices here, and this is what to do. So but this is my main my main device driver for my Bluetooth. What I have to do is to double tap on this, and you can see this device is disabled. Click enable to device, to enable device, to enable the device. I'm going to click on advanced or driver rather, and what I have to do here is to click on enable device. So once I tap on enable device, this should bring my Bluetooth back. For some people, they might not get it back after the setting. So let's just go to check it here. So you can see my Bluetooth is actually back. Let's go ahead to test it. So I'm going to switch on the Bluetooth, go to this area and click on more Bluetooth settings. So let's see if this has gotten my issue solved. So I'll click on add device and Bluetooth. So as you can see, it is searching for device. The couldn't connect issue has vanished here from my PC. That's showing that this method works. If yours is not still working or you can't still get it done, double tap on your driver, go to advanced, just details here. So driver rather. So what you have to do is to click on update driver, and what you have to browse for specific on your computer. So you can go ahead and click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So I'll click on this, and you can go ahead to tap on anyone. So if you are seeing another one, try to install it. I'm going to tap on this and I'm going to click on next, and it's to install the driver for me. So once this is done installing, you can go ahead to restart your PC. So once you finish like this, restart your PC, or the computer will automatically restart by itself because it's giving that prompt to do so. So once you are done with that, you should get it solved. So the hardware install will not work until you restart your computer. So make sure you restart your computer and check if this is working. Click on close. I'm going to click on not. I don't want to restart this now, so I'm going to click on no. So or you can go ahead to uninstall the driver and install it back, but I'll not really advise this one. So after updating your driver, you should get your issue solved or fixed on your PC. So if this didn't still get your issue solved, let's go to the next step. What to do? I'm going to click here and close this. I'm not restarting my PC right now, so close here. So I'm going to go teaching us an application online or a software online which you can use to solve all issues with drivers and stuff. So I'm going to connect into my Wi-Fi, and next thing to do here is to open the store. So go to your Microsoft Store, and right there on your Microsoft Store, what you have to do is to search for this application. So come here and search for driver booster. So you can see this here. So I'm going to open in driver booster here on my PC. So this is the one you are supposed to be installing, IOBIT driver booster. And once you're done installing it, just go ahead to run a software. So I'll be opening this here, IOBIT driver booster, or let's just go driver booster. So that's his driver booster 13, and I'll be opening this up to get my issue solved. So make sure you install that software. It should get your issues fixed for you. So now I have my software open right here, and from this one, what you have to do is to scan to check the status of drivers. So make sure you click on scan, and it will run a quick scan right there on your PC. So this is a very helpful device or software you can use to fix this issue. Please, we should all get this downloaded. So you can see this, it's showing a lot of devices, and it shows 5 device drivers outdated. So what you have to do right here is to just go ahead to search for your Bluetooth driver device there. You can see mine here. So this is it. So if you show it, mine is up to date, and that's the reason why it's working. So if it isn't showing up to date, what you have to do is to update it by just clicking on update now, or you can choose that one exactly to update only your Bluetooth driver here. But since I need to update it, I'll just click here on update, and once I'm done updating, I'll just go ahead to like restart my PC, and this should also fix my issue. So don't forget, install the application, click on update, and make sure everything downloads. And once you are done downloading, restart your issues, your PC to solve the issue. So if this whole method or all these steps didn't still work for you, let's go ahead to the next step that should fix the issue for you. So go ahead to open Chrome on your device and come, and so we'll be downloading it from the direct PC software page. So go ahead to search for Bluetooth driver, then I'll put this and click here and change this to HP. So I'm using an HP device, and I'm going to put a Bluetooth driver HP Windows 11, and this should work for me. So we'll see here and click on the official HP support. So if you're using an Intel product, click on Intel. If you're using a whatsoever, so you have to look for your official website for your PC and click there. So I'll be clicking here on this driver update, whatever. So I'll go ahead to download this directly from the official website for my PC. So I'm choosing teaching how to fix this now. So just scroll here and I'll get to the website. So I'll also be dropping this website there in the PC. So they'll be asking for everything we need to know. So once you scroll down, you see the detail of change, or you can just go to the official HP support and driver download page automatically. So you can see this. So it's going to take you to this drivers page directly. So this is where you should get all your drivers from. So this has loaded completely, and it's asks us to select our product type. So I'll click here on the laptop. My product is laptop here. So let's wait for this to load. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So you can let HP detect your product, or you can type the kind of product you want. So I'll always click on let HP project your product. So that's it for me. So an HP will automatically, so I'm going to click on OK here, and it should check it for me. So I'll be skipping this time here. So HP is trying to identify this. You can see 5 minutes. So wait for this time to complete, and you will get it detected. It's not going to take, just going to take a few minutes, and you get it done ASAP. So HP has detected that this is my PC, and what I have to just click on select this product. So as simple as that. So select this product, and what next for me to do is to click here on the kind of product I use. So if you are following the steps, you are doing the right thing to get your browser or your Bluetooth device back. So yeah, I'm asked to check my and identify my operating system. So I click here on operating system. I'm using Windows 11. So click on 11 and it says select the version. So I'm using 25H, so that's 64 bits. So you can check it from your Windows settings, and I'm going to click here on submit. So once I click on submit, it should land me to the page where I have to download. So I'm going to click on all software and drivers, and I try to locate that for my Bluetooth So let's keep on checking and get our Bluetooth driver. So I'll just scroll. So this falls under Bluetooth, falls under driver network. So I'll expand these, and you can see our Intel Bluetooth driver. I'll go ahead to download this, and when I download this file, what I have to do is just to tap on that and install it on my PC. After installing it, I'll have to restart my PC and should get my Bluetooth device fixed. So these are sums of like this is a sum of all the steps you need to do to get your Bluetooth driver fixed issue on your PC. So if this video really helps, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.